Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing something we've been really excited about, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. It's a compact, foldable gimbal designed to bring cinematic stability to your smartphone videos. Let's see what's inside. Packaging is clean and minimal, just like most DJI products. Right inside the box, you'll find basic setup instructions printed on the inside flap. A smart touch that helps you get started quickly without flipping through a manual. As soon as we open it up, the first thing we see is the gimbal itself. Compact, lightweight, and travel friendly. Next, we got the magnetic phone flap with the DJI logo. Super easy to attach and detach. Here's the mini tripod and a USB Type-C cable for charging. The tripod screw into the bottom of the gimbal so you can use it as a stand, perfect for time-lapse, group shots or hand-free filming. Inside the soft carry pouch, you'll find the magnetic clamp, one of my favorite features. It supports phone up to 84mm wide, which means even larger phone with cases fit comfortably. Setup is quick and hassle-free. Also included in the package, a set of DJI logo stickers and a QR code you can scan to download the DJI Mimo app. To unlock the gimbal's full potential, connect it to the DJI Mimo app. It offers smart features like ActiveTrack, which automatically follows your face or subject. For under $100, this gimbal gives you pro-level stabilization in a lightweight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, we have already started our plan B as our flight got cancelled. You will see where we are in our next vlog. Thanks for watching.